Hi, it's Victor, and happy Thursday. It's February 11th. I'm here at the office, so wanted to make sure I could record this video and the audio is clear for you. This is a college tracker spreadsheet, and it is used to organize all of your college information as you research these schools, so you can compare them to one another and keep track of important deadlines such as applications, early action, early decision. So you can see the headings are across the top. We have everything from the population of the school to the financial aid figures, such as do they provide you with full financial aid if you have the need for it. And this is based on your FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid. This is also a factor in need blind, meaning the admissions office will be blind to whether you need financial aid or not. So it doesn't matter what kind of financial aid package you receive, that will not be factored into your admissions. Here in the green, we've got the dollar figures, such as the average grant amount that is provided to students, and the average amount of debt that students come out with from their student loans. Uh, you also have some other factors that may or may not be important to you. The student-faculty ratio is a big one, especially if you're considering big schools. Here we've got SAT or ACT required. You can also create your own columns here. So for example, if I want to insert one to the right, I can do that, and we can see a new heading such as is the admissions process test blind or perhaps test optional. And I'm going to go ahead and put those two terms in there. So you could input, for example, they are test optional, meaning this school, Tufts University, will happily accept your SAT scores, but they may or may not weigh them the same as schools that require the tests. A test blind process means they are not going to look at your test scores at all. Finally, you have your big deadlines. Notice that there's two tabs for the spreadsheet. One is school data, which is this big sheet. You can add all your schools and new rows. And then the second tab is the definitions, the big glossary of what all of these mean, as well as some points and tips how to use this, how to make it your own. This is the original source from a woman who has been involved in admissions at Tufts University for many years. And she has used this actually with her own family members. And that's the story behind where this document comes from. So please go ahead and make that your own. Ask me questions as you modify that, and I will be talking with you soon in our next class.